Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nominal Investor YouTube channel. Good morning and good afternoon depending on where you're at. I want to just update you guys on NIO and what happened today with the price and how it moved up a lot and the reasons why it's going to keep going in the future. So I'm very bullish on NIO. I'm also on my community tab, so check it out, stay active on it, guys. So far you guys have been killing it. Thank you for your support on my recent videos as well. I've been more active recently, and that's a blessing that I've been able to have time available to make these videos for you guys. And I just want to show you guys this article by the Motley Fool, and it's titled "Why NIO Stock is Rising Today." And the other part is like Arrival's third quarter earnings report has NIO investors buzzing. So that Webull is actually Xpeng Motors, so another Chinese EV maker. It's listed on the New York Stock Exchange. It's Xpeng, and they reported their third quarter earnings, and that's actually been better than expected. Like, it wasn't profitable, just like NIO and Xpeng are both still not profitable. I don't expect that to continue though for any longer. We have seen impressive growth in deliveries for Xpeng. So quarter three, they actually delivered 8,578 vehicles, which is an increase of over 160% from the second quarter of 2020. Like I said, they almost doubled their deliveries in quarter three than they did in quarter two. So it's amazing. For starters, they definitely have a good year so far. So I expect them to do even better in the coming years, 2021, especially when they start building on their infrastructure and they keep expanding as well, like NIO has. I can see them reaching those numbers of over 20,000 vehicles per quarter, at least that, and then we can talk about that company, Xpeng and NIO, companies like that being profitable once they start reaching those numbers. And NIO is going to get there very soon. So yeah, expect those two companies to be huge in the future, just based on the fundamentals and stuff, and how they're expanding and how they're being supported by both the government and also banks in their respective countries. So yeah, Xpeng stock spikes 38% on earnings, so NIO, Li Auto rise as well. You know, that's to be expected. I did make a video yesterday, I talked about that. I said how if there are good news that come from quarter three as it relates to Xpeng and stuff, then NIO will also rise in value. And that's exactly what happened. NIO actually went up like 12%, but it kept going up a lot more in the aftermarket still, no matter what. Looks like NIO has struck some nerves lately. Some Tesla fans can't stand that NIO is outperforming on every level. That is so true. Shout out to the Raging Bull on Twitter. Now, this is funny. I found this tweet on when I was browsing my feed. NIO calls baby license to print money, but this picture basically says my parents at age 29. You know, let's put 10% of our paychecks into government bonds, and it's like, yes. Me at age 29, time to dump $60,000 savings into this one trade. Notice how he's by himself. He's trying to save money, all that money that he saved from not having a girlfriend or something. At age 29, he's using that money to invest it in all in one trade. And what I would do with that money though, 60 grand, I'd put 20 grand into crypto, because alt season is coming, baby. Bitcoin is going to 20,000, and a lot of other altcoins are going to hit their all-time highs. So 20k would be crypto, 40k I'd diversify it, so put 20,000 into Tesla, 20,000 into NIO, and that's how you invest 60,000 in 2020, guys. Anyway, NIO 150,000 capacity in 2021, 300k in 2022. Meanwhile, bears say it's overvalued. Yeah, NIO is not by any means overvalued or anything. Trust me, this is not overpriced. It's not gonna pop or go back down to $30. That's not happening, guys. You know, like a week ago, that was the last time you could have bought NIO below $40. You know, now you're gonna have to wait until it falls back to like what, 46, 47, because it's already like 50. So yeah, it's just funny, guys. Anyway, NIO is already in the top 5 and largest automakers by market cap. So you see NIO with $65 billion. You know, it went up 12% today. Amazing news. Also, the fact that Xpeng, the other EV maker in China, went up a ton as well. It's at 32 billion in market cap, but the price of it is around 44, which was NIO's price yesterday before Xpeng's quarter three results. So interesting. They're like they're right next to each other in price. One more thing. NIO for $50 post ER. I think NIO is gonna, maintain $50 around $49 to $50, right up until the earnings report, and then by then it's gonna get a little bit volatile. But I can see if the good news come out of that, then I could see it going up as well. And same thing with Xpeng. But if it's just, you know, they're still not profitable and just, you know, what we expected in results, then I don't think it's gonna move much. There's not gonna be too much volatility. It's just gonna stay around that price. Some people are saying that it could even fall, but who knows what will really happen, guys. Also want to mention the fact that, you know, some people are saying that there's just been an overwhelming bull trend, but how do we proceed from here? Well, it looks like we're going to start building support around this previous resistance level, which was around the $45 to $46 range. So once we can start building support around $45, $46, then we can go into and stay above 50, and then by then we'll have analysts upgrade NIO and give their price predictions and price targets well above $55, which will move the price up as well, because people are just going to FOMO into it. And that's what I expect to happen. You know, check out these posts. You guys can like pause this so you guys can read it. But this is Xpeng, and Xpeng just went up like a lot, guys. It's crazy. This is where you start buying. You start accumulating at 32. This is where we were at before Q3 results. So we were at the accumulation period. So after a couple days of consolidation, like I was talking on my recent Xpeng video, you know, after that healthy consolidation of it being around these prices, 34 or 32 to $34, and due to the good news of the Q3 results for Xpeng, this is why it went up this much. So impressive, guys. $10 gain right there, which represents 33% in the green. Crypto's also up, guys. Crypto's up 400. It's up to almost 2%, but overall the crypto market is around $460 billion, with Bitcoin maintaining its dominance at 65%. XRP is still in the red, like on many days, but guys, this is not gonna keep happening any longer. Like I'm telling you, XRP, once the alt season hits, XRP is gonna be the last one to move, and then the one that moves the most in percentages and growth. So yeah, this is gonna be my update, guys. Check out the links in the description for free stocks. So Webull, Robinhood. With Webull, you actually get 3 free stocks for signing up and depositing $100. Now with Robinhood, you just get an extra stock. So you can start out investing literally with no money. You don't have to even deposit $100. That's just optional if you want to get that 4th stock. But you can get started investing literally and start out with some cash. Don't miss out on that opportunity to basically get free money. What else did I want to mention? Again, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so you guys don't miss out on future videos or posts. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.